Hello everybody, so in today's video I'm going to be doing Marley Twist. This video is sponsored by Toyotress hair, I think that's how you say it, but thanks to them. So I got the colors 613, 27, and 4. So at first I wasn't really sure what I was going to do with the colors, like how I was going to mix them, or if I even was going to use all of them, but I did end up using all of them. This is about the amount of hair I use for each twist. I've never done this before, so I kind of started off first before I recorded to show you guys. But here I'm kind of like parting it. I used two mirrors. There's like a mirror in front of me and a mirror behind me because it's like almost impossible to part your head on your own without mirrors. I used the rubber band method for this. It just seems like that was the easiest route to go. Here I am with like edge booster and my rubber band to get my parts all clean and crisp. So once I got the rubber band all nice and tight, I started to braid. This is pretty self-explanatory, guys. You need 3 pieces to braid. One of those pieces is my hair, like the rest of the braiding hair. I wouldn't suggest twisting it at first because I feel like it's gonna slip out much easier. Plus, I was going to a water park and I wasn't trying to have my twist falling out while I'm going down the slides. So once I felt like I had braided enough, I went to go get some edge booster because that's where my natural hair was ending and I wanted it to blend better into the twist, obviously. So yeah, now I'm just twisting. So once I got it to the length I wanted it to be, I would just like put a rubber band at the bottom, and I literally could not find my scissors. This was at like 2 a.m. because I pulled an all-nighter to do my hair. Yeah, I couldn't find a scissors, so I kind of just like razor bladed it off like the end pieces of the hair. And now it gets really repetitive. My parts were kind of crazy, but it ended up looking good in the end. This is the back, so it doesn't really matter. But yeah, I did the same exact thing to my entire head. I ended up parting and rubber banding my entire head before I continued on. As you can see, I ran out of black rubber bands, but whatever, it's not a big deal. So this is me finally finished. It took like 6 hours. I think I started at 1 a.m. and then I finished at like 7. Yeah, I still never found my scissors until the next morning. Honestly, I didn't feel like looking for it, but I ended up redoing some of these in the front. As you can see, they kind of look crazy. But yeah, the next morning I put beads on my hair and it was a look. Yeah, so this is how it turned out. It was kind of cloudy outside. I feel like the lighting isn't that good. Thank you again to toyotress Hair for sponsoring this video. All of their links will be down below. Here's a picture of me when I got ready and stuff. I'll also show a TikTok at the end of this video because I feel like this outro just isn't doing it justice. But yeah, thanks again for watching this video. Bye guys.
I can't go out. I'm sick.